Receipt and delivery. Two simple words, right? But it's actually make confusion among the beginners of Odoo. So don't worry, let's break it down in a simple way. Let's start by receipt. What do you mean by receipt? It actually means, in a simple term, the stock is coming into your warehouse. So once you are receiving the product, the receipt is created. So the receipt is actually giving you a message that please be alert, the stock is coming into your warehouse. Okay. So it usually happens once you are buying a product from a vendor or receiving raw material, or we can say the customer is giving a return product to you. Okay. So what happens, what is actually happens behind the scene of Odoo? Let's see. In a simple term, we can say, if you are creating an RFQ, like you are buying a product from a random vendor. Okay, so you are creating an RFQ, and after the RFQ, you are confirming that RFQ into a purchase order, and you are giving the product, order line type and everything. After that, you are just validating it, right? So after validating that, you can see the receipt is there. So once you are receiving or validating the receipt, it actually giving you, or it actually makes sense inside your warehouse, like the stock is there. Okay. So you must need to understand one important thing is a purchase order doesn't make any stock movements inside your warehouse, but validating a receipt does it. Okay. So next is delivery. So delivery is basically the opposite of receipt. So what does it mean? In simple term, we can say the stock is moving from your warehouse to your customer side. So it usually happens once you are selling a product to your customer, or you are moving a particular product from one storage space to another, and also you are shipping a particular product to our client also. So what does actually happens inside Odoo 19? Let's break it down. So once you are creating a quotation inside your sales module, it creates that, and validating the product, the quantity, everything, you are confirming that into sale order. And after that, once you're confirming that into your sale order, on the top of the section there you can see the delivery smart button. By clicking on there, you can find all the configured option regarding the delivery, and you can simply validate it. So please do remember one thing, that the sale order does not change any stock movement inside your warehouse, but a delivery validating does it. Okay. So in a conclusion, we can simply say that the receipt is actually giving stock inside your warehouse, and the delivery goes out the stock from your warehouse as well. So I hope you all understood this two concept, which is receipt and delivery, and you know what is the difference between that two thing, right? So stay tuned for the next video. We'll break down what are the next concept inside Odoo 19. So bye-bye.